Hello viewers, welcome to another weekly forecast. Quickly I will analyze some currency pairs and we will begin with USD JPY on the weekly time frame. We have a regression trend here. Right. Good. We have this bearish channel and this channel has been broken. If we scale back to the 4-hour time frame to get a clear view of the chart, we will see that we have a resistance zone here, and then a support zone that was earlier broken but price went back up. So it means that this breakout was a false breakout, and we have another trend, bearish trend line here. So we expect USD JPY to push down to this support zone before breaking this resistance and then pushing higher. Next currency pair will be USD CHF. Let me go back to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a bullish trend line here, and if I scale back to the 4-hour time frame, this is a bullish trend line. We will discover that we have a bearish channel that has been broken, and we have a price consolidated here for a while. And then after the consolidation, price pushed up impulsively, and so we expect USD JPY to push further down and then push to the upside again. And this is a clear setup. We have a bearish channel, a consolidation, push up, and then we'll have a retest and another push up. So the next currency pair we will look at is USD CAD. We will first begin with the monthly time frame to get our major support and resistance zone. And if we go back to the weekly time frame, we will see that we have a bearish channel here. After this bearish channel, and then I have a bullish trend line, and support zone. So this is a resistance. Priced pulled back after touching this resistance. Now the overall trend is bullish, as we can see on the monthly time frame. Price hit this support and it's now heading to the upside. Let's see, on the daily time frame, we expect USD CAD to push higher. The next pair we will look at is New Zealand USD. And this is the daily time frame, and we have a significant zone here. And if I go back to the 4-hour time frame, we have a bearish trend line. So our forecast for this uh, currency pair is price will continue going down or will to push back up to this zone. Our next currency pair for today will be the New Zealand JPY. Now on the weekly time frame we have a bearish channel, and if we check our chart we have the 5-wave pattern, and we have the first impulsive push up, the second pullback. The first pullback, we have the second impulsive push up, then the second pullback, and then we have the last impulsive push up planning out. And so if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, we will discover that price has given us a triangle pattern. So our forecast for this currency pair, price will continue to push up after breaking this bearish triangle, and we'll have price pushing up to the upside. Now on the smaller scale we have, let's say we have the first, from this point to this point is the last impulsive move on the higher time frame. And now on this chart, this will be our first impulsive move, the second, the third, fourth, and then the last. So we still have a bullish move after this triangle. So New Zealand JPY will be bullish this week. The next pair we will look at is the GBP USD. Now this is the daily time frame, and we have ourselves a significant resistance zone here and a bearish trend line. We have a bearish support, and a horizontal support and resistance. So the focus for this currency pair for GBP USD, price will pull back after this retest to this bearish support, or price will break this resistance and then push up to this resistance zone. So watch out for GBP USD. If you get a buy signal after this breakout, then you go for it, and if it gives you a sell signal at this resistance, then you can go for it and put your take profit near the support zone. The next currency pair we will be looking at is the Euro USD. On the monthly time frame we have a bearish trend line that has been broken, and a significant support. If we scale back to the daily time frame, we'll find another bearish support, and then this will be a resistance, support and resistance. So Euro USD will have a push and then a retest, and then to this resistance, oil price will pull back after touching this resistance. So the last currency pair we will look at is the Euro and Great British Pound. And if we go to the monthly time frame, we will see that we have a trend line, and we have a support here, and the resistance. So if we should scale back to the weekly time frame, we would discover another trend line here, scaling back again to the daily time frame. We would so we expect Euro GBP to push up, and on the 4-hour time frame you would see that we have a bullish trend line here. So that means that we have ourselves a confluence here. We have this horizontal support and our bullish support level here. So Euro GBP will push up. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, because I will post videos subsequently and we'll get to make profits together and learn more about the forex market. See you soon.